Hey, yes, as a country. Besicela ukuxolisela ubaba uNkabinde, ubaba uNkhwanazi. Siyamxolisela on his behalf. Baba uNkhwanazi sicela ukuthi umxolele uNkabinde as a country. Anisho ngimthumile ukuthi yeah, as a country sithi sicela ukuthi umxolele. But then here's the story. I think ukuthi uNkabinde like was a good cop. Actually is a good cop or in whatever in his department. Wamoshakala umsebenzi because of kind of he blew a whistle. Wabaleke waluza umsebenzi. And then he was, same WhatsApp group as Umkhwanazi. So now, mogunzima emhlabeni and nangumngani wakho, ula. And I think they're just true friends ukuthi through thick and thin. But then also Umkhwanazi was feeling ukuthi please don't lose, a track of who we are. And I think that's what happened. Ukuthi as when ukhuluma kanjalo isalary yangena and yet kimi naku like there's nothing. And which is look, and even umchunu nanoma beka umchuzile ukuthi lo ngiyamfuna. And ngisho ukuthi angazi why would CBR recommend uNkabinde to be a chief of staff. Like because I think ukuthi uCBR or recommended. So yeah, and I think Umkhwanazi was keeping tabs on uNkabinde ukuthi ish madoda ungashinji and in kwashaqacima. And there's sometimes as we say ukuthi hayi indlala ikhulumile. And then again as I said before, siyabonga wena Soviet ra leboga haholo ngoba kuthe mahamba uNkabinde not now this week, the previous maseka hamba yazi uSoviet wamtshela ukuthi ake yazi mawubuya or nje have that introspection and weigh moral. I think maybe he knew yazi kwakabona umuntu akwazi ukuthi hey man mina ngiyakwazi ukuthi wena integrity yakho is very high. And then yeah, shame. Like what I saw with Unkabinde, it felt like I'm in church. Ubabadisiwe waphuma angumuntu oqotho. Kodwa siyabonga kakhulu. Baba uNkhwanazi siyamxolisela yithi uzobhala ama-email. Anyeke simsisiyo kwamanje kodwa sizombhalela nje ama-email sithi ayisaxolisa. Sixolisela on behalf of uNkabinde and ngicela nje ukuthi yazi nama photos we boys whatever boys trip. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Abe khona siyabonga.